What is up, YouTube? Today I will be going over my Class 1 and later in the video my Class 2 and some of the changes I've made to the hard body for my Class 2. Now the changes can be made for my Class 1 too, but as you can see, another thing, I have been working on my printer, have been trying some different stuff out. This is one of the things I've been trying, is these little fuel cells. Now I do have a couple. I'll show you the two right here. I was designing it so you could run it on either side. Now you can make it look like you have dual saddle tanks up on the bed, or you can somehow custom mount them. I may try and sell these. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. I am liking that Ender 3 so far. It's put out some pretty good prints. This one's pretty good. I do need to sand a few spots. This one ain't the best. It's got some layer shifting. Other than that, I do love my Ender 3 so far. I do have a couple upgrades that I printed for it, but other than that, it's pretty stock electronics. My Class 1 has changed a little bit since you've last seen it. I did have it for sale, but I may keep it and I may just sell the chassis. Keep the axles and transmission and body. I do still have the VFD and AR45 straight axles, but I have the Vanquish skid plate along with their axle, or my links. But I am thinking about switching back to the Fish RC skid plate. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see the VFD in my Class 2. I am thinking about that. I have not quite decided what I want to do quite yet. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, whether you want to see it continue in my Class 1 or switch it to my Class 2. Now, if I switch it to my Class 2, that 2 low is probably going to go in my Class 3. And the 3 gear will most likely find a way to a Class 1 build. So far, I have not really done too much else to it. Still got same Hobby Wing 1080 with the Hack motor, 35 turn. I did switch up the tires to the Capra wheel, or I switched wheels, not tires, sorry. Capra wheels, I switched to Capra wheels. That did bring in my tires just a little bit. Now, I do still need to figure out different tire combo. I may try some different tires. I am still probably not going to be running it in competition for right now. But maybe this winter I'll trade out my Class 2 or Class 3 for Class 1. We will see. We'll see what I'm able to do. Now, I am going to be switching to my Class 3, or Class 2. Here's my Class 2. Now, I do have the body mounts different for my Class 2 Lexan body than I do my hard body, but we'll get the point. Now, here is my Class 2 body. Let's see if I can get it right. There we go. There about. I have designed a cage. It sits right in there. I have not quite mounted it yet. One second, I will mount it. Okay, YouTube, so I got the cage installed. As you can see, fits pretty well. I do need to make some modifications here and there, but other than that, it does look pretty good. I do have a dash, if you can see it there. It does have a steering wheel mount there if I ever want to put a steering wheel in. And I can always design a seat and everything if I ever want to add on to this. I do have plans to add on to it here soon. I want to keep test fitting, making sure everything's right. But so far, I am liking it. I may start trying to use this body in a comp, but we will see. Doesn't fit too bad. I may add another mount here in the back too to help with supporting it. I did 3D print this. This is PLA. I know some people say don't print PLA for structural parts like this, but I was thinking about it, and it's not real structural. If I do hit, the cage won't be taking any of the brunt. The body will be. So I thought about that too. Now, if it was a Lexian body, I would think about printing it in something else that can take more of a hit. But since this is a hard body, I did print it out of PLA. Now, I will put this in here on, I guess, just like that. It is not mounted all the way, but it is resting about where it is. Let's see if I can show. It does have plenty of clearance everywhere, which I am very happy about. I cannot wait to take this out to Crawler Canyon RC Park. I do believe they're having an event. I do believe it's called Truck Night in America, kind of like that TV show from what I've heard. I may try and take Class 2 or Class 3 out, maybe Class 1. I am not quite sure what I want to take out yet, or what body I want to use. Do I want to use a cliffhanger, or do I want to use this? I also did get my winch situation figured out. I just used a couple of zip ties, mounted it right here on the cross brace Harley Designs used, or printed. So that is what I'm using. I still need to do a couple things for it, but other than that, it does work for the most part till I can get a in the works beast or ninja winch or something like that. I may try Shift RC, maybe. We will see. I'm not quite sure what winch I want to try just yet, but I am trying to decide, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions for videos or anything you guys might want me to try and sell, or if you guys might want, let me know in the comments below. I am still new at learning how to design stuff. I'm not quite as familiar with Fusion 360 as Harley Designs, so I am still learning, just to give you guys heads up. But I did design that cage for the most part all on my own. I used some of Harley Designs videos. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. See you next time.